Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crop or remove all white margin from your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this page thumbnail option and click on this page layout option. Here you will find this crop option, click here. Now double click on this page and this crop dialog box now open, and here you can select remove margin and select all page. Also you can select a specific page and select all pages. Now select crop and see this, all of these pages page margin now remove, and see this, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.